Hey guys, this is how to fix MyAir app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And guys, for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So for the first solution, it's just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search bar at the bottom and go for the search at the top. And after that, just simply search for MyAir and just simply tap on the app. And for this solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app, and after that, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. So now, once you have ensured you are running the latest version and still have issues, just simply go to the settings. And after that, just simply scroll down and go to the apps and just simply find My Air over here. And now, if you cannot find it, you can just simply tap on the search icon on the top right. And now just simply tap on the app and go for the storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix the issue. And now, if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on the clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply hold the application, guys. And after that, just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from there, just simply go to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.